Planning to replace your windows in Bluffdale? Window replacement is an investment that enhances energy efficiency, improves home aesthetics, and increases property value. While Bluffdale's unique climate can demand robust, well-insulated windows, the process can be a bit overwhelming. Preparing your home effectively not only speeds up the installation process but also ensures minimal disruption to your routine. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting your Bluffdale home ready for a smooth and successful window replacement. Clear the areas around your windows. One of the first steps in preparing for window replacement is clearing the areas around your windows. Ensure that all furniture, decorations, and valuables are moved away from the windows that will be replaced. This allows installers to have unobstructed access to your windows and prevents any accidental damage to your belongings. If you have large furniture pieces that are difficult to move, consider covering them with drop cloths or plastic sheeting to protect them from dust. Additionally, don't forget about the area outside your windows. Move any patio furniture, potted plants, or other outdoor decorations away from the windows to give the installation team plenty of room to work safely. Remove window coverings and decorations. Take down any blinds, curtains, shades, or other window coverings. This step allows the installers to start the job immediately without needing to remove these items themselves, which saves time and ensures your coverings remain in good condition. Additionally, if you have any wall art or decor near the windows, remove those items to prevent them from getting knocked off accidentally during the installation process. If your windows have any special treatments or hardware, such as curtain rods, brackets, or drapery hooks, it's best to remove those as well. You'll have the opportunity to reinstall these once the new windows are securely in place. Protect your floors and furniture. Replacing windows can be a messy job that generates dust, debris, and sometimes moisture. Protect your flooring, especially carpet and hardwood, by laying down drop cloths or plastic sheeting in areas where the installers will be working. Consider taping the edges of the plastic sheeting to prevent it from shifting as people walk over it. It's also a good idea to cover any nearby furniture to protect it from dust and debris. Some window installation companies provide floor protection, but double-check with them to see what you may need to cover on your own. Create a clear path to the windows. Once you've cleared the areas around your windows, it's also essential to create a clear path for the installers to move through. They may need to carry tools, new windows, and other materials in and out of your home, so make sure there's a clear route to each window being replaced. Move any rugs or small furniture pieces that could get in the way, and be mindful of low-hanging lights or decor that could be a hazard. Prepare for noise and dust. Window replacement can be noisy, and the work may generate dust, especially if your existing windows are in wood frames. If you or anyone in your household is sensitive to noise or has respiratory issues, you may want to plan for them to spend the day elsewhere during the installation. Sealing off other rooms with plastic sheeting can help contain the dust and minimize its spread throughout the house. If you have pets, consider creating a safe, comfortable space away from the work area. Pets can easily become stressed by the unfamiliar sounds and movements of the installation process, so keeping them in a closed room or with a friend for the day can help reduce their stress and ensure their safety. Confirm project details with your installation team. Before installation day, it's a good idea to confirm all project details with your window replacement company. Double-check the schedule, review which windows will be replaced, and clarify any specific instructions the installers may have for you. This is also an opportunity to ask any last-minute questions and confirm payment details so that you're well prepared on the big day. Inspect the new windows after installation. Once the installers have completed the job, take some time to inspect the new windows with them. Ensure each window opens, closes, and locks properly, and confirm that the frames are well sealed. Address any concerns or questions on the spot to ensure that your installation is complete to your satisfaction. Final thoughts. Preparing your Bluffdale home for window replacement might take a little time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth installation process with minimal disruption. Plus, you'll enjoy the rewards of your new, energy-efficient windows for years to come. Whether you're updating for style, functionality, or energy savings, being well prepared will help you get the most out of your investment.